In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan in Figma. Upgrading your plan is a helpful way to unlock more features, especially if you're working with a larger team, need more advanced collaboration, or are starting to hit the limits of a free workspace. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. First, open Figma in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account, the one whose plan you actually want to upgrade. Once you're in, you'll typically land on your recent files or drafts page, or inside a specific team workspace. What we're looking for is the option to view available plans. On the left-hand side of the Figma interface, look at the sidebar, where you see things like your teams, projects, drafts, and maybe community. In that same sidebar, you should see a link or button labeled something like View Plans, or a similar phrase depending on your region, and Figma's latest design updates. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking View Plans will open a page dedicated to Figma's pricing and subscription options. Here, you'll see the different plans that are available, such as free, professional, or organization level tiers. Take a moment to review the details of each one. Typically, you'll see a comparison of features, such as how many editors you can have, version history options, advanced permissions, and other collaboration tools. It's worth scanning this carefully so you're choosing the plan that actually fits the way you and your team work. Once you've decided which plan works best for you, click the button associated with that plan. This might say something like Upgrade, Choose Plan, or Get Started. As soon as you select a plan, Figma will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts may include choosing whether you want to be billed monthly or yearly, confirming which team or workspace you're upgrading, and entering your payment details. Follow each prompt one at a time. Make sure your billing information is accurate, double-check the workspace you're applying the upgrade to, and review the final summary before you confirm. When everything looks correct, complete the process by confirming the upgrade on the last screen. After a few moments, your workspace should reflect the new plan, and you'll have access to the upgraded features associated with it. That's all there is to it. Click View Plans on the left side, choose the plan that fits your needs, and follow the on-screen instructions to finish upgrading.